welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be doing a prep with me plus travel vlog. So I'm traveling today, yeah. So I am gonna show you like prepping. I'm gonna do my toes, my nails, and all that kind of stuff. But like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that post notification bell if you have not. All of my social media, including my TikTok, will be in the description below. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm done checking my socials. Sorry about the darkness, but yeah, I'm done checking my socials. Now I am going to start brushing my teeth and getting everything ready. So I'm just gonna go. Oh my god, I'm just gonna start getting ready and I'm just gonna start brushing my teeth. I'm not getting my toes done and stuff like that. Yeah, I got my hair done already. But what's it called? I'm gonna go in the bathroom and start brushing my teeth and then wash my face, and then after that I'll get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm done brushing my teeth and stuff. Now I'm gonna go in my room and get ready. Okay, don't mind the background noise, but like, I'm ready now. Me and my mom are about to leave. Right about that, I'm about to get my toes done. So I wanted to go to the store to get some stuff, and yeah. But this is my hair, if y'all were wondering, because I got it done. And then I got some jean shorts and a regular shirt. This is Whitney Houston on it. But yeah. Okay. This is me. Like, and y'all also can see I got like curls because it's a bow hold up twist. So yeah, but yeah. Sorry about my blur camera, y'all. I don't know what's going on. Hold on. Alright. Alright, y'all, but I'll see y'all when I'm in the car. Alright, y'all, so I'm in the car. My mom just took a quick stop before I went to my cousin's house, but yeah. I'll see y'all when I get to my cousin's house and stuff like that. Alright. Okay, so I'm back in the car. If you're wondering why my button's on, it's because my hair's gonna be surprised to my cousins. Anyways, I'm on the way to Five Below. I'm gonna go to Five Below before I go to my cousin's. I'm gonna go to Five Below before I go to my cousin's house. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. Did I have names? Anyways, I'm gonna go to Five Below before I go to my cousin's house, and I haven't bought it on. If y'all didn't hear me, I haven't bought it on because it's gonna be a surprise. So, yeah, but yeah, see how I'm at Five Below, and then after Five Below is going to be my cousin's house. Okay, guys, so I'm in the store Five Below, right? And why the stores are going off? Everybody starts getting tornado warning and there's a bunch of all over the store. And my phone is the one that's going off first. So I was like, what the heck? Because I have the best Wi-Fi in the store. I'm like, what the heck? Also, I got this for the thing I'm buying it myself. So, yeah. But I'm going to pay for it. And then I'm going to see how I get in the car again. And then I'll see how I pay for it. Because I've been everywhere searching for this. I saw one in Walmart, but it was built weird. I tell you one here. It looks cuter. Alright, I'll see you later.
Hi to my YouTube channel. Hi, YouTube channel.
You got a new case?
Yeah. Okay, don't mind that. But yeah, I'm at my cousin's house, y'all. It's really loud, so don't mind that. Come. This is my favorite cousin. I'm waiting to come.
Follow,
Subscribe.
to my YouTube account. So yeah, don't mind my nails, but yeah.
That's my mom's. I even my case. Like that. I'll see you guys when I'm doing something because it's like really boring right now. She's being big bad. Oh wait, you're a big bad. Anyways, we're getting snacks for my eyes hurt. Yeah. Anyways, we're getting snacks for the plane because we're gonna be hungry. But one thing I can't allow that's annoying to me is that water. Like, y'all be thirsty. Like, that's stupid. Anyway, I'll see y'all when I'm at the airport. Okay, guys, don't mind the background music, but I currently am all ready. I showered already. I'm currently ready for Jamaica. I have my shirt on. I got jeans and my hair done. I got my edges, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I look so cute, and I'll see y'all when I get to the airport, or I'm gonna show y'all like the ride there. All right, y'all, don't mind the background music because it's music, but I'm in the car right now. I'm about to head to the airport, but yeah, I'm so excited. Don't mind this, y'all. I'm about to tell guys something. We're about to leave, so I'll see y'all when I'm at the airport. So I'm getting to the airport, y'all. It's okay. I'm so tired, so I'll see y'all when I get on the airplane.
You know, that's why people went on the plane for the first time.
Okay, so we're on the plane. I never been on an airplane. I'm bored, so I'll get to y'all later because I don't know what to do.
Dread.